putting a design on a white cotton t-shirt with DTF. My daughter is a huge fan of Frozen. She loves Elsa, so I wanted to make her a cute t-shirt that she would absolutely love. I printed the shirt on DTF film with a sublimation printer and sublimation ink. Now I'm just adding the DTF powder on the wet ink, and then I'm going to put it under the heat press for about 60 seconds at 380 degrees to just let it, all of the powder melt into the ink. Once that is done, I'm going to then heat press it onto the shirt. Frozen is one of those really cute shows. A couple of my girls love it, so I thought it would be really cute to surprise my 5-year-old with a shirt of her favorite character. The design was easy to make. It was something that was made through the Midjourney app. There's a few other AI apps you can use. You can use Canva, you can use Photoshop, you can use all kinds of apps to generate images. This one was made through Midjourney. So what I did was I took the image, I cut out the background because it was on a black background. I cut out the black background with Photoshop. After I cut out the black background with Photoshop, I saved the image. I loaded it into Design Space so I could size it the way I wanted it for her size shirt. And then I printed it out through Cricut Design Space through my sublimation printer. And I added the DTF powder and heated it and all that stuff. Now I just have to align it up with one of my t-shirt rulers and then tape it down with my heat tape onto the shirt so it's secure and will stay there for the press. And then after I had it all taped down, I put it under the press. I put it under the press for about 40 seconds. And then this is a cool peel, so I let the shirt cool down completely, and then I peeled it off, and I have an amazing shirt that she is absolutely going to love. Now you can do this with any character, with any design. It's really left up to your imagination. You're limited by your imagination with making t-shirts. So you can do this with anything, your favorite characters, your favorite paintings, your favorite designs that you make yourself. You now have the ability to make any design you can dream of with the new AI programs. So even if you're not good at drawing, or maybe you can't just draw digitally, whatever is limiting you, you can now go online and make all kinds of artwork, words, images, favorite characters. The possibilities are endless. Scenes, you could make an image through AI about anything. Pick a holiday, pick a topic, pick a toy, pick a theme. You can make endless images for t-shirts now with AI, and there is so many programs to use now. And you can then take these images that you make with AI and you can customize them through programs like Photoshop and just turn it into anything you want. The possibilities are endless. So very cute design. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Have a great day, everybody. Happy crafting.